Elena Krasnow here, Marketing Manager of Street Cred PR. We are going all in with Press Play Live at Orion Ascent, and I am so excited. I'm here with Mike Capelle, co-CEO of Modern Wealth Management. How's it going, Mike?
It's going great.
Fantastic. How's the week been for you so far?
It's been really good. Catching up with a lot of Orion folks. Just enjoying the energy and the vibe. Love all of the different vendors that are here, and they're always up to something and innovating. So it's a great opportunity to catch up on this stuff.
Yeah, the energy here is amazing.
Yeah.
What's a trend that you're focused on right now?
One of the things that we've been utilizing with Orion from the platform is their custom indexing solution, and it's fantastic solution for clients, and for us it's about kind of getting the word out and getting all of our advisors educated about it, up to speed with it, and utilizing it with the appropriate clients, right? So really innovative and just a great solution.
Love to hear that. And then tell me something that you're excited about going on with Modern Wealth in 2025.
We're excited about continuing to expand. We're looking forward to getting some more presence along the West Coast.
Yeah.
And just continuing to build out our presence across the country. It's just, we've still got a ways to go.
Well, you are expanding very rapidly from everything that I'm seeing.
Yeah. We had a pretty active year last year.
Definitely.
We had eight acquisitions that we did. We'll see if we find the right firms that maybe we'll be doing the same this year. But we're already starting out the first quarter here with a pretty good pipeline and activity. So we're excited about it.
Love to hear that. Well, thanks so much for taking some time with me.